gay?
No.
Oh,
Never mind.
sad.
Yeah, so one of them has to be a male.
Can I
I'm gonna
scare
annoy
them?
Aqua.
Oh, no.
I'm annoying Aqua. She hates it when I do that. You want to see something real cute? Sunshine,
I'll
come
take-
here. Corn on the bob, corn on the bob, corn, corn, corn on the bob, corn, corn. That's something she can do. Aqua can't do that. Look at. If I were to do it to Aqua, Aqua would bite my hand off. Corn on the bob, corn on the. Oh, she can. Oh, all right.
Never
She
mind.
cannot do that.
Never mind.
She cannot do it. Only Sunshine. Sunshine's got a special talent. Look at. Sunshine, step up. Corn on the bob, corn on the bob, corn, corn, corn on the bob, corn on the bob, corn on the bob, corn on the bob. Since she's a bit yellow, I'd call her corn. Corn on the bob, corn on the bob, corn, corn, corn on the bob, corn, corn, corn.
Ah, she looks so fluffy.
Yummy corn. What if I were to,
Actually, bite her.
no, like, if I were to
Wait,
hold
what's
it?
on your hand?
Someone drew on my hand.
Oh.
Oop, Sunshine just pooped.
Wait, how do you know?
Her tail went down.
Oh, greater dogs.
Greater dogs. We have like a disinfectant wipe or something, or just a tissue.
There's a tissue. Tissue's fine.
And sanitizer.
Yeah, and sanitizer.
Tissue.
Sanitizer.
Wait.
How can you even snap now?
No, I can't. I can't snap as good as my classmates. The pro. Wait, look at. Oh, sure. Then,
And then you rub.
rub it up, dub.
Mm.
And she's back there.
Swear, Aqua